Alright, well, try this Denver song again. It's got a tinniness to it that I really can't get rid of, but I'll see what this recording does for me. There's a storm across the valley, clouds are rolling in, the afternoon is heavy on your shoulders, and there's a truck out on the 4-lane, a mile away, the whining of his wheels just makes him cooler. He's an hour away from riding, prayers up in the sky, 10 days on the road, come and gone, and there's a fire softly burning, supper on the stove, and the light in her eyes to keep you warm. And hey, it's good to be back home again. Sometimes this old farm, it feels like a long lost friend. Hey, it's good to be back home again. She's got all the news to tell him, like how she spends her time, and what's the latest things our neighbors say, and that your mama called last Friday